of you.
Okay, sir, please don't mute.
You have to decide whether I have to mute yourself or not. Please
I don't
keep silent.
Why?
Listen now.
Karatun kenan kin bude wuri da zaki yi.
Listen, guys, listen.
Ki kara bude next page ki gani me abin nan da 1 2.
This is the standard form. 326. How you can write 326 by breaking into the parts. Okay. You learned in the previous classes that if you write the values of each number, this is 3. If you write the value of 3 plus if you write the value of 20, 2 plus if you write the value of 6, so you will find 326. So I can write 326 in that form also. Instead of writing 3, I will write 3 value. What is the value of 3 here? 3 is on the 100 place, right? 1 stands 100, so I will write 300 plus. What is the value of 2 here? The value of 2 is tens. The place it stands and its value is 20, so I will write 20. And what is the value of 6? I write 6 here. So this is 300 plus 20 plus 6. This is how you write, how you expand it, how you break it. 326, you can also write 300 plus 20 plus 6. I'll give you one more example. Let's suppose it is 489. Okay, so how you can write it? 4 is in the place of 100, so I can write 400 plus. Check the value of 8. What is the value of 8 here? It's 80. It's on the place of 10, its value is 80. And then check the value of 9. What is the value of 9 here? It's exactly 9 because 9 is on the ones place. So 400 plus 80 plus 9 is equals to 489. Do you understand it now? Can I move on? Yes, is it clear to you now?
Yes.
You do wrong, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understand it. Yes, sir. You
Okay.
will
26.
Don't
Sir.
make it 326 wrong.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we write in the notebook.
Very.
Don't need to write in the notebook.
Okay.
Sir.
First, first you need to listen to me.
Sir,
You don't need to write.
in chat, one is playing chat.
Listen, guys. Don't need to write now. Just listen to me carefully. First you learn the concept, how to write expanded form. Okay, then I will say to you write, and then you will start writing. Okay, what I tell you that how you have to make expanded form. If you have expanded form, standard form, how you can break it? You can break it. You can check the value. What is the value of 4? You just need to check the values. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. On the 4 is on 100 place, its value is 400. 8 is on the tens place, its value is 80. And 9 is on the ones place, its value is 9. Okay, so in that way you have to write. Let's suppose if I ask you, if I make it dash, okay, and ask you what should I write here, so you will check, sir, this is the second digit on the second place, so you will check 1 2 on the second digit. Second digit is 8, and 8 is in the place of tens, and its value will be 80. So you will say, sir, there will be 80. In that way you have to complete. So we are going to start question now. Question number 4. Which number needs to go in each box? Which number needs to go in each box? Now you can start writing. Question number 4. Now start writing in your notebook, please. The question is, which number needs to go in each box? Okay, which number needs to go in each box? A dash plus 20 plus 1 is equals to 421. What is A dash, or I can give a space, plus 20 plus 1 is equals to 421. Guys, you have to write it in the notebook, okay? Remember, you have to write it in the notebook. All things are clear up to here? Yes, guys. All
Yes,
things
sir. Yeah. All of it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now we will write. Yes.
okay.
We write, sir.
Yes.
400.
Sir.
Yes.
Can I answer this question? Can I answer this question? It's 400.
I'll ask you one by one. I'll ask you one by one. I'll ask you one by one, okay? First, are you writing with me? Guys, are you writing?
I have written a free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. I thought it was free.
Tell me. Tell me, what number should I write here?
400.
Why?
Because 400 is 1 so 400 is 400.
Because, yes, the
400
first
is
digit
at
is 4.
100th place in 400. 400 and because 100 place is not there, so we can put 400. So it's going to be 400 cents.
Very good.
Yay.
Sir, I know the answer.
The answer is 400. Okay.
You are late.
Now, write the second one, please.
Yes, sir, I'm writing right now.
No. Sir, I didn't understand, sir. How I will do it?
I understand.
Tell me your name. You did not understand. Tell me your name.
Kareem Muhammad.
Kareem, sir.
Kareem Muhammad, you did not get?
Yes, sir, I didn't understand it.
Okay, no problem. I'll make you understand. Where is Kareem? Kareem Nasir is here. Hello? Can you hear me? Kareem? Can you hear me, Kareem? Are you Kareem Muhammad? Are you Kareem?
Kareem Nasir.
Okay. Kareem Nasir, do you get it?
Yes, I am Kareem.
Okay. Where is Kareem Muhammad? I cannot find Kareem Muhammad. You are not with the same name, Kareem. I need to unmute all of you. Okay, I'm muting all of you, Kareem. I'm repeating again for you. I cannot find you. You're not with the same name. What you have to do, when you are adding a number in each box, this is, for example, this is a number 489. Okay, so you need to check the places of these numbers. 4 is on the 100th place, 8 is on the 10th place, and 9 is on the 1st place. If I want you to break it, that's mean I want you to write its values. I want you to write its values. If you remember, in the previous topics, we have already done the values of different numbers, okay, in this beginning, topic 100, tens and ones. So if I ask you what is the value of digit 4 here, so you will say, sir, 4 is on the place of 100 here. 4 is on the place of 100 here. That's why its value is 400. So I will write 400 plus, because 400 is not alone here. There is 8 also, 9 also. Then I'll ask you, what is the value of 8 here? You will say, sir, 80. We'll write 80. And plus, I will write the value of 9. Because 9 is on the ones place, its value doesn't change. I will write 9 as it is. In that way, we have to break up. In the same way, if I remove 8 from here, and I say, what to write here? 4-9. So you will check second number is missing. So this is 80. When you write standard form from expanded form, so you just need to pick a first digit. So you will write 8 here. Or if I miss this one, or I say what to write here. So you will say, sir, 8 is on the second digit. So you will have to write the value of 8 here. 8 is on the 10th. That means its value is 80. In that way, we have to complete it. Same as which number needs to be in each box? It was 421, and the first box is missing. In the first box, the value is missing. That is 4. So you check the value in the place of 4. 4 is the place of 100. So what is the value of 4? You have to write here. What is the value of 4? You have to write here. The value of 4 is here 400. So I write here 400. That is the answer. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Now I'm going to write B. B is 100 plus dash plus 8. I will write D 100 plus 8 is equals to 148. Yes, and this is the number. What should I write here? So I'm going to unmute all of you guys, and you have to tell me in the box what should I write. Yes.
Sir, my name is Karim Mohammed. Sir, my name is Sir, my name is Hamza. I want to know. Sir, the answer is 14. The answer is 14.
Listen, guys.
40. Sir, the answer is 40. Sir, the answer is 40.
Listen to me carefully. If you make a noise, if you shout, I will not unmute you. Okay? One by one. One by one. Don't shout. I'm unmuting all of you. Don't need to shout. Okay? Don't need to shout. Participate, but don't need to shout.
It's 40. It's 40. Abdulaziz, I want to
Sir, it's 40. Sir, it's 40.
Wait,
My name is Abdulaziz. My name is Abdulaziz. I want to answer, sir. My name is Abdulaziz. I want to answer. Sir, I want to answer.
Okay, okay. I got it. Abdulaziz, I got it. The answer, I got it. I received. And now I will ask question to this guy. Who is this? Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, can you hear me? Ahmedabad, can you hear me? Please open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmed, what number should I write here? 100 plus dash?
40.
Why?
Because
four is on the tens place and its value is 40.
because
The value of 4 is 40 here. Okay. The value of 4 is 40 here. Very good. Now write the C, please. Write C. What is C? C says,
Sir, my name is Karim Muhammad already. My name Abul Inim, but now Karim Muhammad.
And my name is Abdulaziz. Can I please answer?
Finish it.
if you make a noise, I will mute all of you. Do you want that?
No.
No? So please keep silent. I am not muting any one of you, but you have to keep silent. I'm writing C. Write the dash plus 70.
العالم شغل مخك يا كريم.
Who is this?
شغل.
Okay. If you want that, that's okay. Now, what is C? C is dash plus 70 plus 7 is equals to 777. Dash plus 70 plus 7 is equals to 777. Okay. What should I write in the box here? Dash plus 70 plus 7. So I will take one participant from you. Abdul Ghaffar, can you hear me? Abdul Ghaffar, can you hear me? Okay. Ahmad Usama. Ahmad Usama, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmad, what number should I write here?
700, sir.
Why?
Because here the answer is 777. And here plus 70 plus 7 will equal 777.
Yes, because 7 is on the 100 place and 7 value is 700 here. That's why we
Yes,
write
sir.
700, okay?
Yeah.
We are writing the value. Okay, guys. If you are ready, so I can unmute all of you. If you have to make noise, I will not take more than 2 seconds to unmute all of you. I'm going to unmute all of you. But if you make a noise, I will not take 2 seconds to unmute all of you, to mute all of you. It's up to you now. Now I'm going to write
the names.
D. What is D, guys? D.
لا ما مش لازم
800 plus 800
عايز لا مش عايز انا مش
800 plus dash plus 5.
صورها لي وخليني اشوف بعدين.
Who is talking?
Not me, they're talking in Arabic, sir. They're talking in Arabic.
800 plus 5
عملت ميت مش هقدر افتحه تاني.
865. 865. I told you if I hear a noise, I will mute all of you. So what number should I write here? Yes, guys, what number should I write here?
165. Hey, you should write 60.
60.
Why 60? Why? Why 60?
Because the value.
Because 6 is on the 10.
Exactly.
Please.
Yes, because value of 6 here is 60. Okay, that's why we should write this.
Can you mute all of them? And I want to say
This is the answer. Okay. Write it in your notebook fast, guys. Write it in your notebook fast. We have finished this question. Now we are going to learn some new concepts. We finished A, B, C, D. And how much time is left in our class? It is 11:50, 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes is left. Okay, so after this, you should know about, I'm giving you a simple concept. Do you know about 32 tens? What is the value of 32 tens? In order to find out 32 tens value, what you will do? You will multiply 32 by 10. Why? Because this is tens. Okay, this is, I'm giving you some hints for this question. 32 tens. Okay, or I can write like this: 32 tens is equals to 32 multiplied by 10, because there is tens, so you will multiply 32 by 10. When you multiply 32 by 10, so you will get 320. The easy way to multiply any number by 10 is to write the same number and add 0 in the end. Okay, the easy way to multiply a whole number by 10 is to just write the same number and add 0 at the end of that number. So 32 multiplied by 10 equals to 320. Same if I ask you about 32 hundreds. 32 hundreds. So what you will do here? You will multiply 32 by 100. Why? because there are 32 hundreds. So in order to find out 32 hundreds, you will multiply 32 by 100. And the easy way to multiply 32 by 100 is to write 32 and check how many decimals are there, 1 and 2, and put these decimals in the end. Okay, just multiply by 1, 32, and how many decimals are there? 2. There was only one decimal, so you write 1 decimals. Same, if you multiply 32, if you want to find out 32 once, you need to multiply 32 by only 1, and 32 by 1 will give you 32. So these are the some concepts you should remember if you want to find out the tens of any number. So you will multiply that number by 10. If you want to find out the hundreds of any number, you will multiply that number by 100. And if you find out the ones of any number, you will multiply it by only 1. Okay, now I'm going to write question number 4 for you. Question number 5, sorry, that was question number 4. Now we are going to start question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? In question number 5, there is a question, which is less, 400 or 44 tons? How do you know? 5A, that is 5A. Which is less, 400s or 44 tons? 400s or 44 tons? How do you know? This is the question, right? What you will do in order to write its answer, you will find out 400 is equals to 4 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 400, because 2 decimals are there, so you will write the same number by adding 2 zeros. Whereas if you write 44 tens, 44 tens is equal to 44 multiplied by 10. So when you multiply 44 by 10, so you will write the same number first, and you will add only 1 decimal because there is 1 zero, 440. Now you have to check which is less, 400 or 44 tens. So you will say, sir, 400. So you'll say, sir, 400 is less than 44 tens. This is the answer. 400 is less than 44 tens. 400 is less than 44 tens. Now, do you understand it? Yes, guys. Any problem?
Yes, it. No.
I think
Okay.
I think
Same.
thank you.
If for B,
Write another example.
yes, we are doing another example. That is for B. What is B here?
What is this?
Notebook, yeah? How many minutes are
Only 5 minutes are left. 5 minutes are left. Okay.
Okay.
Which is more, 800 or 88 tens? 800 or 88 tens? Which is more?
88 tens.
800 tens. So how to write the answer of it, guys? I will like do the same things, okay? I will write the same thing. 800. So I will write 800. Here 800. When I multiply 8 by 100, the answer I get, that is 8.
Sir, go up.
88 tens. 80.
Sir, go up.
Go down.
Wait.
Sir, go down.
When I multiply 88 by 10, I will write 88 and
Sir, can you please go down?
guys, wait, listen.
Sir, who finished? You can't go. Please finish.
Listen. If you did not finish, no
Sir,
problem. I will
finishing. Can
I will upload it on Classera. Okay? If you did not finish, don't worry. Who is saying sir? Guys, now you have to tell me what should I write here. Tell me 800 is more or 88 tenths. 800 is more or 88 tenths. Now I'm going to unmute all of you. You have to tell me. Yes. Tell me, which is more, 800 or 88 tenths?
800.
Who is saying which is more? More. Do you know mean
800.
800, 800 or 88 tenths? This is 88 tenths.
88 cents.
88 tenths.
Why 88 tenths?
Because it's 880.
Yes, because it is because when you find out the value of 88 tenths, it is 800.
Yeah, it's come between 800 and 880.
800 is
ما انا حاطط جنب الماي كويس معاك.
800. You will say 88 tenths is more
88
than
80. Sir, you do 80. Sir,
Okay.
you do 80, not 88.
Fine now. 88 tenths is more than 800. Is it okay now?
88 tons is more than 800.
Yes. Now, what is C?
Sir, can you wait a little bit because I'm at question number 4? Can you don't question number B because don't go.
Listen, guys. We have finished, okay? The class time is almost finished. We have only 1 minute left. Can you see by yourself, guys? Can you see by yourself? Can you solve C by yourself?
Yes. You write the question and we'll solve it.
I'm writing a question. The question is, which is less, 2 tenths and 3 ones? 2 tenths and 3 ones.
How do
Or
Finish the time. خلصنا. Let's finish the time.
3 tenths and 2 ones.
Yeah, I can leave. Yeah, I can leave.
No. This is the question.
I can leave.
Can you do it by yourself?
Say.
This is your homework,
Yeah, I
okay?
can leave.
Okay. Guys, this is your homework. Can you do it? Which is less? I tell you what, how do you will solve it. Just write the 2 tenths. 2 tenths means 2 multiplied by 10 and 3 ones means only 3. 10 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23. And this is 3 tenths or ones. That means 31. 3 tenths or how many ones? 3 tenths and 2 ones. So that means 32. So you have to check which is less. Which is less, 23 or 32. Okay. Try it in your home. If you cannot do it, I will do it in the class. Okay, class, your time class time is over now. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye, all of you. Bye bye.
No, sir, no, I want to see sir.
Bye.
Put it at video lecture, sir.
I will upload it on Classera course material. You can download it from here and you can copy it down from there. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.